So yeah, as you might have seen in the thumbnail, we're gonna talk about how much did I actually spend on this bike, on the accessories part, not the bike part, just the accessories part. We're gonna cover a few things, some things that are very necessary, some things that are optional to you, and some things that you should have. Okay, so let's start. So coming from the start or the front of the bike, roughly अगर मैं बात करने जाऊँ तो I have ordered this windscreen. It is yet to be delivered. It is roughly around 3450 rupees. That is 3500 bucks approx. Then I have installed the fork seal cover. That is around 850. Then I have installed the leg guard from Mototalk. Again, it is roughly around 5600 something. Then phone holder, which is a very important accessory. I would suggest everyone to get it because यार navigation काफ़ी sorted हो जाता है अगर आप अकेले भी राइड कर रहे हो तो. Then hand guards, it is of Bagbusters. That was roughly around 4300. HJJ lights, ओके ये वाले ये कुछ 50 या 80 वॉट्स के आते हैं. आई डोंट रिमेंबर. दैट वाज 9000 विद द स्विच वी हैव इंस्टॉल्ड इट हियर. देन वी गॉट द रेडिएटर कवर, bash plate, radiator cover, then the brake caliper cover, or some guys call it rear master cylinder cover, I don't know why. Then we have also got the footrest for the pillion, the saddle stay, the top rack. Also we have gotten tubeless tires from Royal Enfield, which are yet to be delivered again. Like आधे से ज़्यादा चीज़ ना आया ही नहीं है, क्या करें बताओ. Then I also did the PPF for my tank and few parts of my bike. It is all PPF. Even the front plastic thingy is PPF'd. So yeah, मोटा मोटी अगर मैं खर्चा बताने जाऊँ तो रफली 66,672 गया है अभी तक. And not adding my jackets and the protection gear in it. I could add the comms though. Comms was around 8,000 or something like that. 8,000 के करीब गया है वो. तो अगर मैं ये टोटल में ऐड करूँ, PPF का 9,000 गया है, एक्सपेडिशन बैग अराउंड 6,000 के आसपास है, देन ट्यूबलेस टायर्स 12,500 के करीब है, टॉप रैक प्लेट 1,500 के करीब है, सैडल स्टेज 4,000 के करीब है, पिलियन फुट रेस्ट वॉज अराउंड 1,500, रेयर मास्टर सिलेंडर वॉज अराउंड 600, बैश प्लेट वॉज 3,000, radiator cover was 2,200, HJJ light was 9,000, hand guard was 4,400, phone holder was 2,500, leg guard was 5,600, then fork seal cover was 850, tall windscreen was 3,450, and as I said, comms or you can call it whatever you can call it here. Those 66,000 plus around 8,000 ना, 74,680, 75 पकड़ लो, मतलब ऑलमोस्ट 75,000 खर्चा हो गया ये बाइक पे. And I am not counting the jackets and the safety gear part, because it is very essential to get those first. I would recommend to keep aside a budget for it before even buying the bike. Don't be like मैं पहले गाड़ी खरीदूँगा फिर ये जैकेट रखूँगा लूँगा. तो don't do that, because if you're getting a good bike and you're planning to go on long rides, keep a budget for your jackets, your pants, your shoes, your gloves, whatever, for all the safety gear, because it is not worth it, very frankly. क्या होगा यार 20-30 हज़ार अगर आप 3-4 लाख की बाइक ले रहे हो, आई एम प्रेटी श्योर 20-30 हज़ार होंगे आपके पास. खर्चा नहीं करना है वो बात अलग है आपको. बट इट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट, गियर इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट. तो वो अगर मैं गियर का बात करूँ तो दिस इज़ राइनॉक्स का एक्सपेडिशन वाला जैकेट. आई कीप फॉरगेटिंग द नेम ऑफ इट. सो दिस इज़ राइनॉक्स का स्टेल्थ एयर जैकेट. ये रफली कुछ 10,000 के करीब गिरा था मेरे को. द हेलमेट वॉज अराउंड 5K एंड कॉम्स का मॉडिफिकेशन वगैरह तो ठीक है, वो तो काउंट नहीं करेंगे हम. तो शूज़ वगैरह है, शूज़ कम अराउंड फॉर गुड शूज़ कम अराउंड फॉर 10K. आई एम येट टू गेट सम शूज़, riding shoes, but frankly speaking I don't like the movement restriction that it does to your feet. You cannot walk freely. Already the riding pants restrict your movement a bit, and then after that if you get the shoes also, no, it becomes difficult walking or running. ठीक है, but as I said, some part of it is essential, some part of it is optional. I would recommend you guys to go for the bash plate, engine bash plate, leg guards, and lights, I guess. Other than that, I don't think you need anything else, frankly speaking. From like Royal Enfield gives a good bike, so yeah. Rest, some of saddle stay. I have not bought the saddlebags yet, but I like the look of the bike with the saddle stays and the top rack plate, so that's why I got them. It is optional. Lights you need because if you're traveling from remote areas or somewhere where there are no lights, and this light is shit. This Royal Enfield light is shit. But क्या करें अभी. कुछ parts है where they need to improve. But ठीक है, overall a good bike if you are going for Royal Enfield's Himalayan 450, new Himalayan 450. So yeah, that's about it, I guess. Don't compromise on riding gear. That's the one thing I'll give you an advice. I guess there are cheaper jackets available in the market. Like you can go for even GT lines, Rhinox GT lines jacket comes for around 6K or something. So you can get the entire package, like the jacket, the pants and the helmet for around 15K also if you want. But I like the Expedition series because it has more pockets, frankly, and it is more practical in long tours. Like you need your power bank, your battery for the cameras, you need the wires, you need your wallet, you need 100 things, and it just fits in your pockets. It's that easy. Oh, I did not cover getting the, what do you call it, हाथ पे क्या पहनते हैं riding gloves. So riding gloves, I think it should be the first thing you buy, because I feel if you fall, and when you fall is the question. If you ride often, the question is when you fall, you should have something to protect, and your riding gloves are the first thing that hit the ground, because you always fall with your hands down, like you go this way to absorb the impact. It is instinctive, but it is what it is. So get a good riding gloves also. I got cheaper ones of $1,000 or something, and ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं हुआ है, कुछ 4 महीने हुए, 3-4 महीने, एंड वो फट गए ऑलरेडी. तो इट इज़ नॉट वर्थ इट, वेरी फ्रेंकली. सस्ते ग्लव्स मत लो, अच्छे लो जो इम्पैक्ट हैंडल करे, जो आपको प्रोटेक्ट करे. ओके, this video was supposed to be about my bike, but I guess I gave a detailed video of what you want to have in general on a bike besides the Himalayan part. Like this is, the mods are catered to just this bike, but the jacket and everything else I would recommend you do that first, not the bike part first. At least keep a budget. I am not saying you should buy it parallelly or something. Keep a budget, buy the bike, then buy the riding jacket and the safety gear. सो या मोटा मोटी बात करने जाए तो अराउंड 70,000 के करीब खर्चा हुआ है ये बाइक पे. आई विल लिंक एवरीथिंग इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स बिलो. एंड आपको अगर कुछ लिंक्स वगैरह चाहिए तो इफ़ आई कैन गेट द लिंक्स आई पुट इट द लिंक्स. आई विल नॉट पुट माई एफिलिएट लिंक्स बिकॉज फ्रैंकली स्पीकिंग एफिलिएट वाला में होता है यार, झोल झपाटे होते हैं. तो आई विल गिव यू द एक्चुअल लिंक्स where you can order the stuff online also. Do check it out. Okay, bye.